Hello.
So we are here to do Munchpak.
It's another month. This is August Munchpak. So.
Oh, you can't see. No one can't see because the camera's up higher this time.
Yeah, if we're shaking, it's because he is
shaking the
moving
camera.
our camera base.
I hope he doesn't touch it. Okay, so, anyways, we're here to do August Munchpak, and I will be doing the honors today.
Yep.
All right, Noah, do you want to help? All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, here's our first thing. All right, we have, it's called Hard Bite. It's from Canada. Hard Bite Wild Onion and Yogurt Chips.
That sounds like a weird combination.
Can you see?
Zoom.
It's pretty
there.
bright. I don't know. You can't really see.
Can't really see, but
It's like too bright.
it's a guy snowboarding. That's what the picture is.
You know, our Munchpaks are not very organized and they're chaotic, so our baby's probably gonna knock this over and
Gonna stop the recording.
throw up and everything else. Let's see if these are any good, Noah. Would you like a chip?
He doesn't want to yelled. No, you want a chip?
He'll probably think they're gross.
The dog wants a chip.
The dog did not have a chip.
No, I look. Hey, chip. Oh, yeah.
He'll probably love them.
All right.
Okay?
Yep. I'm not getting the yogurt.
I don't taste any yogurt. It's okay.
It tastes like sour cream and onion.
Mm-hmm. No, it doesn't.
Maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's what it means. The yogurt.
Mmm.
Because it's from Canada. So maybe
Maybe it's sour cream and onion.
that's what it tastes like.
They're good though.
They are good.
I thought it was gonna be gross.
They're like kettle cooked or something? Are they kettle cooked? Yeah. Crunchy kettle chips with sweet and tangy yogurt and onion flavor.
Okay.
I like it. That's good.
Pretty good.
I'll set it over here.
Sorry guys. It's taking me forever to chew this. Oh, I'm not supposed to look. Uh-oh, something busted open in here.
Oh no.
Okay, let's see.
And the dog's sitting right there. Is this the busted open one?
These look good. They're called Clip Pizza Sticks.
Ooh.
And they're from Turkey. They can see pretty good, I think, from this
Yeah.
angle, so. I have a feeling I'm gonna love these.
What's the description say?
Oh. Crunchy baked snack sticks packed with pizza flavor.
Sounds good.
I might need your help opening them. I can never open these things. No, we gave up on this. Alright. You ready? Oh, that one's too low. Ready?
Ting.
Cheers. They're like little sticks that taste like a slight hint of pizza.
Slight hint. It doesn't really taste like pizza.
They're not as strong as a combo or anything. I mean, I still think they're good, but
Like a cracker, really.
a cracker with a little pizza seasoning on it is the best way I can describe. So yeah,
Pretty good. I like it. I would eat more.
and you're gonna. All right, I think, is this the busted open thing? I think it is. Yep.
It's probably the best one.
Pulperin Rooks. It's from Mexico. Maybe you can pronounce it better than me.
Oh. De La Rosa.
Where do you see this?
Yes, right there.
Oh. Chewy candies filled with spicy chili flavor.
Oh. Chewy tamarind candies filled with spicy chili flavor.
Apparently I can't read, guys. I can't pronounce like anything. Well, there's some in the box.
The question is, do we eat it? Or, like, you know, you're not supposed to open things when the package has been compromised.
Right.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna let you do
gonna eat
it.
it. It looks like a peanut M&M. You're not gonna have one?
Should I? I mean, unless they're smuggled in from Mexico and they coated them with cocaine. I don't know. I think this is supposed to be family friendly. Sorry, guys. Edit that out.
Are we gonna have? No, this is straight. Oh, you're like straight up crunch. Oh, yeah, they're chewy. All right, so they're soft. You gonna have your drink nearby?
Yeah. Ready?
Mm-hmm. No.
Oh. I'm sorry, I can't.
Yeah. The spicy isn't terribly spicy, but
I have an aftertaste of barf.
it's just a weird flavor. Like, okay, so I don't know what tamarind is or whatever, but basically what it tastes like to me is like a fig or a date, like, I don't know, like dried, like freeze dried or whatever.
It was
And
gross.
then it's got spicy chili in it.
I'm glad those spilled everywhere.
Yeah.
Gross.
Yeah, very good.
Alright.
Normally we love everything Mexican.
Ready? Next, we have Crown Seacum Dalcum Peach Flavor. Chewy and juicy peach flavored candies from South Korea.
That's an interesting looking package.
I thought it was upside down at first, but
Yeah, it does look upside down. Okay.
peach candies. Do you want to open it?
Sure.
You're my opener.
Individual or is it one long?
I feel like they're individual. By the way, guys, I'm wearing my Disney shirt today. You might have recognized this from our January vlog, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm getting.
If you haven't watched them, definitely
should.
check out our travel videos. That's the primary videos on our channel. So they are individually wrapped. I say this, I think it's the third time I've said this. Like now and later. That's what it kind of reminds me of.
Anything to get
I'm
that
sorry,
nasty.
I just like unwrapped it while I held it.
Anything to get that nasty taste out of my mouth from that last.
So individually wrapped, like a mamba or
I think I'm gonna like this. So.
yeah, or now and later.
Noah doesn't want to participate in this.
Very chewy.
Mmm.
Delicious.
Good.
Mmm.
It's gonna be hard to chew it. Oh.
That's a winner.
One of my favorite. I'm glad we didn't have that other one last. Oh.
They're really chewy.
Yeah.
They are very much like now and later's. Harder like a real now and later. Not so like soft like a mamba.
I'm gonna chewing mine.
So yeah, we have completely officially finished our Anthem Cruise series, and we are coming up with a recap video soon. We're going to tell you all about what we thought about the ship, the itinerary, Royal Caribbean in general, whatever. And then we are starting now. We've already put out our first video for the Rhapsody Essays.
Yep.
So, yeah.
All right.
Next piece. How many do we have?
This is our last one.
No.
Yeah. Whoa, black bourbon cream sandwich.
Where's it from?
India.
Okay. Last treat we got. Excuse me. The last treat we got from India was really good.
All right, it's
They
big.
look like Domino's.
It's very big. I think it's like a freeze-dried ice cream sandwich. Or no, it looks like Keebler elf cookies. they smell like Keebler elf.
Black bourbon. Okay.
Oh, I said ice cream sandwich. It's just a cream sandwich. Sorry, guys.
Parlay, hide, and seek. Okay, so we've had stuff from parlay hide and seek before. I think it was the last time we ever did it too.
Oh.
They were cookies too. All right.
Ready? They're kind of dry, but
They could use more cream.
yeah. But
Yeah,
very good.
I give that a thumbs up. That's good.
so, out of everything here, my least favorite was the chili nasty thing. I don't know what they're called, but
Yes, I don't even think we put them on the camera, but they are.
they were busted open. So
We got a really bright light here, but
so yeah.
Paul Perrin rocks.
And my favorite was the thing from
South Korea?
South Korea,
Yes, that was so good.
the peach
That
bar.
was my favorite too. I'd say
The chips are good too, though.
the chips and this are my two favorite. This is definitely my favorite.
Yeah.
So
So that's it for this Munchpak.
thanks for joining us for another Munchpak video. We'll see you on this format of film in another month.
Yep, we'll see you in another month with another Munchpak.
Bye.
Bye.